Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Hello. Hi. Assalamualaikum viewers. How are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. I am also fine. Alhamdulillah. So viewers, this is all about ideas signing in. And guys, I am going to share with you a most stunning and very beautiful crochet ideas for you guys. These are very unique and super incredible and very beautiful crochet ideas for you guys. Guys, these are very pretty collection for you guys, and I hope so guys you enjoyed this video. And these are super amazing and very unique crochet and very classy crochet ideas for you guys. So guys, you must try at your homes. Follow for more details. These are super incredible and very unique crochet ideas for you guys. I am glad to see you all guys. Stay tuned till the next video. These are very pretty, these are very amazing and very unique ideas for you guys. Hope so guys you all are doing well and keep supporting my channel, keep watching my videos. These are pretty collection and very pretty ideas for you guys. So remember me in your prayers. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and for more videos. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz guys.